Здраво, здраво! Како секогаш така и овој пат, каде коне во музичката емисија Hard and Heavy. Овој пат имаме нови соговорници и тоа на Metal Days. Станува збор за нови надежни момчиња кои ни доаѓаат од северот на Европа, значи од Финска. Станува збор за бендот Lost Society, Trash Metal. Firstly, welcome to the TV show Hard and Heavy.
Oh, thank you so much for having me, dude.
Tell me, you're a young band and young guys, you have 21 years, but you started when you be 16 years, 17 years, and you exist since 2010, but my son playing with me just like you, and he have 20 years. I'm very proud. Tell me how you be, the feeling to start when to be young and broke up, broke.
Absolutely. I mean, the story goes back to basically, it was 2000 and, holy shit, I don't even remember. I was 7 years old, so it was 14 years ago. My brother made me a mixtape that had a bunch of different kind of music that he likes. And the first song was The Prisoner by Iron Maiden. And instantly it was, you know, a really cliche moment, you know, but that basically changed my life. That changed everything that I believed in, because after that I just wanted to listen to heavy metal and be in a band, basically. And then it was in 2000, probably 2008, 2009, when I bought my first guitar and I started playing. And then, I mean, pretty soon, I just really got into, you know, bands and stuff, and I was like, hey, I want to start my own band, and I want my band to be the biggest band in the world. So then I called up a couple of my buddies from junior high school where I was at the time, and I just said that, hey, you guys want to play together some heavy metal? They were like, absolutely. And well, I mean, until 2011, you know, all of the members just left, so it was just me. I played my own stuff. But then in 2011, in the summer, I got these three other guys with me, so it's Arttu, Mirko, and Ossi. And ever since that, you know, we've released 3 records, we've toured the world, and we're living our dream at the moment, which is so awesome. I mean, I'm 21, and I can positively say that I could have never believed that at 21 I would be right here where I am at this point. So I'm eternally grateful for all of the aspects in my life that got me here.
Yeah, and forever be young.
Exactly, dude.
If you
Forever
listen
young.
Metal, but or trash.
Exactly. Plus,
Never be old.
Dude,
yeah.
Alphaville said it way back. Forever young, dude. That's the way I want to do it.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah. Tell me, you they have the last album, but maybe now they have new material because to be for the next year.
Absolutely. I mean, we've the beginning of this year, we had only 2 shows in Finland, so we were all the time doing new stuff. We were writing new material, we were recording new material. You know, we haven't set a date for when we're actually going to record the 4th record, but you know, we've constantly been writing new material. We have it all stored up in our hard drives. And I mean, you know, we've had the festival summer. It's been really busy. It's been an amazing summer, and this is actually the last festival we're doing abroad. We're going to do 2 Finnish shows after this, and then we're just going to go back to the rehearsal place and write some new stuff. That's basically how it's going to go. It's going to be hard work, a lot of hard work.
Yeah, I know. To be and to be, it's good material because this is Kikko Faso, band, the trash band who is coming from Finland.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah.
This guy has the truth.
Yeah, but why was society? I think so. Maybe the lyrics, it's a society because more trash band, the working.
Well, yeah, I mean, because it's kind of, you know, one of those things that everyone kind of thinks always that if you want to play thrash metal, the only 2 things you can sing about is beer or politics. But we're kind of, you know, we found the golden way in between. No, but I mean, Lost Society, I think it's more relevant than ever in 2017. You know, we haven't gone all political because none of us really want to do that, because there's enough of that shit going on. But what we know, obviously, you know, the world isn't totally okay, but we at least hope that with our music we can make it a bit of a better place, you know. But you know what, people can see already from the newest record, I Am the Antidote or Riot, that we're getting more into the Lost Society theme again. And I'd say that the next record, it's gonna be pretty personal with some lyrical sides, but it's gonna have like the whole Lost Society at heart all the time.
Yeah, but all lyrics, who write the lyrics? You're.
I write the lyrics, all the lyrics
All
myself.
lyrics.
So I mean, you can either blame me or say thank you. No, no, but I mean, I've always wrote the lyrics. I don't know why. I mean, it's just become one of those habits, and because for myself, I've talked English for the basically 21 years of my life, so I speak English like I'd say fluently, and I just like writing stuff, and especially the third record and now all the material for the fourth record, I've started to finally really bleed out the words that I write now. Because there's been some stuff that happens to me that I'd love to write about, and now I've finally taken advantage of that point, and I'm coming out with pretty good lyrics, dude.
Yeah. And,
Gotta say.
Yeah. And lyrics to be to the Lost Society, yeah?
Fuck yeah, dude. Lost Society, Lost Society.
The same, just like old stuff.
Exactly, it's old
the
stuff. and
old
music.
style to be, the faster and...
Exactly. I mean, there's gonna be a lot of kind of different moods in the new music, because I mean, people probably know us best for the fast stuff, but I mean, we love to play the fast stuff. Sorry, but we love to play the slow stuff also, and I think the best thing that we could do is that we write a record that all of us can put, all of our personal influences into, because none of us listen to only one genre of music. We love everything, and we've been listening to so much different music during these last 6 years that we would love to bring. Like each of us bring our own, the personal stuff into the music, because all of us write the songs together. So I think the perfect situation would be that we have a song or a record that has a lot of different influences, a lot of different moods, but still people know that it's Lost Society.
Yeah. I remember when to be your first video clips and put my son Philip the Dragon, who playing guitar just like you in my band Medusa, and listen this band from
Awesome.
Finland. I have Trashy, and when to see old guy who put the vinyl, and after going here in the room
shit,
and play the guitars and say, "Wow, father, I like it this."
That's still my favorite video until this day. It's so just funny, and we had such a great time recording it. That's where we started, that's where it's all from. So I mean, I've always had respect for that video, and especially the guy who puts the vinyl. I have so much respect for that guy, dude. Regards to you.
Yeah. Maybe it's an artist or in the family, man.
It's the dude is actually our drummer's dad's band friend who plays keyboards.
Yeah.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah. And tell me, you have this summer only festivals.
This summer was only festivals. We started the summer from we did Sweden Rock, then we did Download in UK and in Paris. We did Resurrection Fest in Spain a couple of weeks ago. We did Copenhagen. We're in Metal Days right now. We were in France a couple of days ago. We've been all around this summer. Of course, Europe we've been around, and for the rest of the year, then we're gonna go to the States for the first time. We're gonna go with Children of Bodom there, which is gonna be fucking absolutely amazing. But this summer has been great, and this is the last festival abroad. So that it's going to be special for us, because this has been the biggest festival season we've ever had in these last 6 years. So we're stoked to be here and stoked to be in the best festival in the world. Fuck yeah, dude. Metal Days.
Yeah. And the next step is to be to co-queenst of the America and Salt or LA.
We're
Asian maybe.
It's crazy. We were just talking with the guys We were just talking with the guys yesterday that it's crazy. When we started the band, the biggest goal that we had was that we would play our own headline tour in Finland. Then after that, the biggest hope was that we would go abroad. Then the biggest goal was, that the goals keep on going and we keep on doing them. It's amazing. I mean, it's crazy because we've been touring the world for 4 years now, 3 or 4 years, and we've achieved so much. I mean, we have achieved more than we could have ever imagined at this point. And I mean, all I can say is thank you so much to the fans and to the background team that we have, because we couldn't do it without you. And absolutely, the next step is that we're gonna conquer the whole fucking world, dude.
Yeah. And maybe now the new material for the DVD.
Exactly. You never know.
Concerts live,
Exactly, because we haven't come out with a DVD yet till this day. So hopefully, at some point, we're just filming everything that we can, and at some point, then we'll release a DVD. Hopefully.
Yeah. And for the end, would you like to say for Macedonian metal fans?
I'd like to say, for everyone who knows who Lost Society is and has got the record and supported us, thank you so much. And for everyone who hasn't, please check us out if you want to. We are Lost Society, and we love each and every one of you. Fuck yeah, dude.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, dude.
yeah.
Have a great